Welcome to the video where we review new tagging options available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3. Managing images and environments with multiple versions for different departments or functional groups can become complex. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3 has new features to reduce the complexity of managing multiple images, including image tagging, filtering, and custom views. Let's take a look. We'll start with tagging by going to Settings and Nerdio Environment. For this example, we'll add a new tag group for images. We'll give it a name, Win10 Multi-Image for this example, and we'll give it the tags we want for this tag group. For this example, we'll give it the tag name OS, and for the tag value, we'll set it to Win10 Multi. And of course, you can add additional tags as needed for your environment. We'll click OK. And now let's go to Desktop Images. We can add tags when we create an image, if we add a new image. At the bottom, we have the option to apply our tags. That's how we add tags to a new image. Let's go to an existing image next. We'll cancel out of here. From an existing image, we'll click on the drop-down and go to Manage Tags. From here, we can add our tags. Once you've added the tags, click Save. Now that we have the image tagged, we can filter by tags and tag values. We can specify the tag and set the value. Now we filtered our images down to the ones with the tag OS and the value Win10 Multi. Let's take this one step further with custom views. Let's go to Custom Views under Settings. We'll add a custom view. For this example, we'll call it Windows 10 Multi Images. Add a description as needed. Set the type to disk images. From here, we can also set the visibility, sort by, and sort direction and page size. Let's set the tag to OS and the value of Win10 Multi. We'll save and close. Now we have our new custom view. Let's open that. The end result is we now have a view that only shows images with the OS tag value of Win10 Multi. That is how to set tags, filtering, and custom views with Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.3.